Discussion of the legal implications of the decision, 2024 RJJD 36090, High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan at Jodhpur, is the court that heard the case of Bhagwan Puri Goswami versus the state of Rajasthan and others. Justice Vinit Kumar Mathur, the Honourable Mr. Justice, date the 2nd of September 2024, concern Bhagwan Puri Goswami, the petitioner, submitted an application for the position of lab technician. Nevertheless, he was not appointed to the position despite the fact that he obtained marks that were higher than the minimum required for the OBC status. His experience certificate did not strictly comply with the format which was required in the advertisement, which was the cause for the refusal of his application. The petitioner was granted a favourable ruling by the court based on the judgment. This is the explanation behind it. In the advertisement, there was a particular format for experience certificates. This raises the question of whether or not the offer is technically fair. The information contained in the petitioner's certificate, on the other hand, had all of the pertinent elements. However, the format utilized was not exactly the same. A different candidate, Phul Singh, who had a certificate that was comparable to the one that was appointed, was discriminated against. Concerns regarding prejudice were raised as a result of apparent inconsistency in the way the rule was applied by the responders. Emphasis on merit. The court placed a great deal of importance on substantive justice rather than technicalities. It would not be fair to refuse the petitioner based on a minor formatting error because his qualifications and marks were consistent with the standards. The petition for a writ was granted by the court, and the respondents were instructed to fill the position of lab technician with the petitioner if he meets all other requirements. Inconsistency in the application of regulations can create concerns about discrimination. As a result, courts give substantive justice a higher priority than technicalities when the latter do not materially affect the conclusion. If the inconsistencies in the procedure do not constitute a threat to the other party, it is possible that they will be ignored. It is important to note that this is a legal analysis and it is not intended to replace the counsel of a competent attorney.